I see no changes. Wake up in the morning and I ask myself, is life worth living? Should I blast myself? I'm tired of being poor and even worse in life. My stomach hurts, so I'm looking for a place to snatch. Cops give a damn about a need, bro. Pull a trigger, kill a nigga, he's a heat, bro. Get it back to the kids, who the hell cares? One mess up, we mouth on my welfare. Worship them, don't let them deal with brothers. Give them guns, step back, watch them kill each other. It's time to fight back, that's what Huey said. 2 shots in the dark, now Huey's dead. I got love for my brothers, but we can never go nowhere unless we share with each other. We gotta start making changes. Learn to see me as a brother instead of 2 distant strangers. And that's how it's supposed to be. How can the devil take my brother if he's close to me? I let it go back to when we played as kids, but then that's the way it is.
That's just the way it is. To make this one better place, let's erase the waste. Take the evil out the people that be acting right. It's more black and white, it's more crack tonight. And the only time we chill is when we kill each other. It takes skills and real time to heal each other. And if all it seems evident, we ain't ready to see a black president. It ain't a secret, don't conceal the fact the penitentiary's packed and it's filled with blacks. But some things will never change. Try to show another way, but staying in the dope game. Now tell me what's a mother to do. Being real don't appeal to the brother in you. You gotta operate the easy way, but you made it in a sleazy way. Sell a crack to the kid. That's the way it is. That's just the way it is. And as long as I stay black, I got a stage strap, and I never get to lay back, cause I always gotta worry about the payback. Some buck that I roughed up way back, coming back after all these years. Rat-a-tat-tat-tat-tat, that's the way it is. That's just the way it is. Things will never be the same. See, we gotta make a change. That's just the way it is. That's just the way it is. Things will never be the same. That's just the way it is.
Y por la 6, Víctor Cortés de Navarra. Victoria oficiosa por la calle 4 de Alberto Ferrer de Murcia. Segundo intento de salto con flexibilidad sobre 450 de Canoa y Arrea. ¡Van aquí, vamos!
Sin pudor, sin razón, con el fuego de la pasión. Basta. siempre, todavía más. Amar para poder luchar contra el viento, volar, descubrir la belleza del mar, querer y poder compartir nuestro hacer de vivir, el regalo que nos da el amor es la vida. Querer dentro del corazón, sin pudor, sin razón, con el fuego de la pasión.